Hey creatures, it's Irene, and I'm back with my yearly, very spooky Halloween photoshoot. Mwahaha. This year, I decided to dress up as a Slavic pagan goddess of winter and death, Marana, also known as Mara or Morena. She is often depicted with long black hair, dressed in all black with red accents, and holding a scythe. There's almost always a raven by her side, so I knew I had to incorporate that in some way. I got all of my props from Amazon, the scythe, the raven, the fake blood. I will link them in the description. Also, just a little self-promo, I am hosting a 2-day in-person workshop on November 18 and 19 in Calgary, Canada. If you are interested, you can find the link with more information in the description. For my makeup, I went with a really messy dark smoky eye, and then I painted 2 runes on my cheeks with an eyeliner. I also used some red lip stain to make my lips look bitten and bloody. For my hair, I just curled it by doing some braids, and then I put on these super long dark hair extensions. They don't really match my natural hair color, but I will just edit that in post. And for my outfit, I'm wearing some Ukrainian traditional clothing, but all in black, and lots of red necklaces to accent that color a little bit. I love the way it turned out. Let me know what you think. So here's my setup. I used this backdrop stand I got from a local photography store years and years ago, and then I set up my Kate backdrop in gray. I will link it with everything else in the description and some discount codes. And then for the light, I'm using the Juin Mollis G200 with an octabox as my main light, and another G200, but I'm just not sure what I'm gonna do with this one just yet. I'm also using the Canon Connect app to connect my phone to the camera and be able to see myself and control my camera and take pictures through my phone. And finally, I added a fan to add some drama. So at the beginning, I tried to backlight my hair with the second light. I put the red gel on it to make it a little bit spooky, but I wasn't really loving it. So instead, I turned it around and lit up the backdrop. That looked pretty cool, but I still wanted more light on my face, so I added a third light, a small Godox LED, turned on to the red as well. I still wasn't loving it, so I decided to ditch all of the red and put a small soft box on my second light and create a more dramatic 2-light setup that would light up my hair and a bit of the backdrop. I did do quite a lot of editing on these images. I used generative fill to make the raven look a lot more realistic, And then I added a preset that I made specifically for this shoot. And finally, I layered my snow overlay to tie in the Goddess of Winter theme. And you can buy this overlay on my website. I use it all the time. It's really great. For these last shots, I decided to add the fake blood to the side to make it look a little bit more creepy.
Get a plate or something.
Oh no, I won't get it on the carpet. It's very viscous. I did in fact get it on the carpet and then I had to clean it, so please don't use this over any carpet. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this annual spooky Halloween behind the scenes. If you did, give this a like, subscribe to my channel. I hope you have an amazing Halloween and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! I'm done. I'm covered in like the black stuff from... I'm gonna have to wash my hair again because my hair is covered in like... Oh my god, and I just touched it with the fake blood. I think I'm gonna hurt myself. Also, this is getting very, very like gross. Okay, bye. Happy Halloween.